I'm gonna need that because it's windy. It's windier than shit. Oh. The wind was not that bad until I got out here on the beach. Now it's terrible. I don't even know if it's worth supping. There's some nice sets out there. So I wasn't really planning on surfing today, but was super surprised to see my local beach iced in, which happened overnight. So in fear that the lake might be freezing up here soon, changed my plans and got out here. I probably should be surfing this because the wind's kind of heavy. It's kind of frozen and kind of a mess. So I might be switching over, might not, we'll see. Here it goes. Look at that. Uh-oh. Not good. I forgot to mention, I'm riding this board. I'm riding this board as a quad for the first time. Super choppy. We got parallel winds with the shoreline almost right now. Whew. Beautiful though. This is hard. I'm gonna go get the surfboard, I think. Whew. Oh, that's sketchy. Alright. That's how I really feel. My leash broke. Oh, it snapped. That was my fault. They get all frozen and twisted up. Oh, that's a bummer. Ah, man. I was behind the back. Oh, I gotta thank God, man. I would have been in a hot spot. If I didn't get back to this board, I would have been in a real hot spot. Again, it's super important to sup with a PFD because of shit like that. The rip current out here is so strong, man. Without a board, it'd be one tough swim. This is literally the deadliest shoreline of the Great Lakes. Whew. I'm grateful. I'm grateful to be connected to this. I am gonna get back to land. I might grab the surfboard and try to find that paddle. I better hurry. Friendly reminder to never trust your leash in freezing weather, because what is made to be stretchy will turn into something that just snaps when it's this cold. I was behind the outer bar. It didn't take a big tug at all and it just snapped. And whew, I was scared because that part of the current, it pulls out. So luckily I body surfed the very next wave a little bit. And I mean by the grace of the Creator, or a force that had mercy on my soul, the board didn't get pushed in. I've had a leash break one other time and the wave that broke the leash took the board all the way to shore, same wave, so I had to swim. I probably could have made it, but right away I felt myself going out. So let that be a lesson, and always stay ready, stay thankful. Short of a miracle, there is no way I'm gonna find that paddle out there in the next 10 minutes. I think I was out there. Oh, maybe. That might be it, dude. Yeah. Hey, thank you. You too, my man. Alright, bro. I'm literally gonna have to wait for this rope to thaw out before I can take the camera off my neck, because the little cam buckle thing's frozen. Huh. Slim chance I'm finding that paddle right now. That really should exemplify when someone loses a loved one out here, and how in minutes afterwards there's hope that you might find them. For me, it was just a little object. Man, respect and condolences to all those that have been lost out here. This place is very beautiful, sometimes extremely mellow, but it's extremely dangerous. It should always be respected. Oh man. This leash is fixing to snap too. This is surfing in the winter. That's it.